In this question, it is given that let f takes R to R be a function defined by fx equal to this whole for some m such that range of f is the closed interval 0 to 2. Then the value of m is, you have to find the correct choice. First formula which you should know is the value of a sin x plus b cos x always lies between under root a square plus b square, and least value is minus under root a square plus b square. And second point to be noted is if log of lambda to the base a lies between alpha and beta, this implies that lambda lies between 8 bar alpha and 8 bar beta if a is greater than 1. But if a lies between 0 and 1, implies that lambda lies between 8 bar alpha and 8 bar beta. That is, sign of inequality has changed if a lies between 0 and 1. These two formulas I am going to use in this question. And if lambda lies between alpha and beta, implies that log of alpha to the base a is less than log of lambda to the base a less than log of beta to the base a, provided a is greater than 1. But if a lies between 0 and 1, in that case, by taking log, sign of inequality will change. That is, log of alpha to the base a will be greater than log of lambda to the base a greater than log of beta to the base a, provided a lies between 0 and 1. And now to find the range of this function, it is clear that sin x minus cos x lies between root 2 and minus root 2, and multiplying by root 2 I get minus 2 is less than equal to root 2 into sin x minus cos x less than equal to 2. And to get this expression, now add m minus 2 everywhere. I get m minus 4 less than equal to root 2 into sin x minus cos x plus m minus 2 less than equal to m. That is, for every value of x, the value of this lies between m minus 4 and m. Now I take log with base under root m in all the three expressions. I get log of m minus 4 to the base root m less than equal to log of root 2 into sin x minus cos x base root m less than equal to log of m base root m. But some other students may be thinking that before taking log with base under root m, I must consider two cases: under root m lying between 0 and 1 and under root m greater than 1. But no, it is sure that under root m is greater than 1 because domain of the function is given to you as R, means x is allowed to take every real value. Hence, the value of m must be such that this is positive for every value of x. And because this is the least value of this, hence m minus 4 should also be positive for every value of x. And because I'm saying m minus 4 is greater than 0 for every value of x, means m is sure to be greater than 4. That is, root m is greater than 2. Hence, this condition is satisfied. Therefore, I can say the range of this is log of m minus 4 to the base root m to log of m to the base root m, and log of m to the base root m is log of m to the base m to the power 1 by 2, that is 1 upon 1 by 2 log of m to the base m, that is 2. Therefore, the value of this is 2. And because I want range to be 0 to 2, hence the value of m should be such that the value of this becomes 0. And taking log of m minus 4 to the base root m equal 0, I get the conclusion that m minus 4 is equal to root m to the power 0, that is m minus 4 equal to 1, that is m is equal to 5. Hence, I can say first choice is correct.